This is the galaxy that's purportedly on a collision course with us. This seemingly gentle spiral speck of light is hurtling toward us at a deathly speed of 300 kilometers per second. It's the Andromeda Galaxy, our Milky Way's closest cosmic killer. Recent observations reveal that this spiral galaxy, approximately 220,000 light-years in diameter, is far more complex than we imagined. It boasts 1 trillion stars, equivalent to 1.5 Milky Ways stacked together, even more terrifying. Its center harbors a supermassive black hole 23 times more massive than the one at the center of the Milky Way. But the truly chilling discovery, made in 2023 by astronomers, is the discovery of over 500 stars orbiting in bizarre orbits, interstellar refugees from smaller galaxies torn apart and devoured by Andromeda. This confirms that this magnificent spiral galaxy is, in fact, a ferocious cosmic star-eating race. The most chilling prophecy is the fate he foretells for our own Milky Way galaxy. 3.75 billion years from now, the two galaxies will engage in a final collision lasting billions of years. Initially, Earth's night sky will be ablaze, with countless newborn stars blazing, turning darkness into day. But this will be followed by a deadly dance between two supermassive black holes at their cores. These will eventually merge into an even more terrifying monstrosity, unleashing gravitational waves that will shake the entire universe. While scientists reassure us that the vast distance between the two galaxies means the solar system will likely be ejected to the edge of the new galaxy and thus survive the cosmic collision, no one can accurately predict the ultimate outcome. Recent research suggests that while the probability of a collision is only 50%, this cosmic gamble carries the fate of the entire Milky Way. Ultimately, all the splendor and chaos will fade into silence. Approximately 7 billion years from now, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge completely, forming a single, vast and silent elliptical galaxy called the Milky Way Galaxy. The night sky will change, and the familiar Milky Way belt will disappear. But billions of stars will still shine in the new galaxies, writing a new chapter in the evolution of the universe.